Hello, welcome. In today's video, we have a Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret body care and fragrance haul. Let me show you what I ordered in these two places. First of all, let me show you the Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. It has the notes of with vanilla, soft cashmere, and skin to skin. I really don't know. I never tried this Bare Vanilla lotion or fragrance from Victoria's Secret. The next one is Bare Vanilla, that is the golden. It has sugar, tonka, orchid blossom, and Bare Vanilla a golden hour. So this is supposed to be the evening one, and this I think the day one. I'm not sure. I never tried any of these fragrances or body lotions on my skin before. The other body lotion that I got from Victoria's Secret is this Almond Blossom and Oat Milk Comfort. It's supposed to have coconut oil and shea butter for 24 hours moisture. It's also new to me. The next one is this Victoria's Secret Mango Smash. This is also new to me. This is supposed to smell like mango peel, spike hibiscus, juicy nectarine burst. I can't wait to try this, and I bought this one because I have a few mango fragrances that I would like to layer with this lotion. The last one I got from Victoria's Secret is this coconut milk and rose. Oh, this is almond blossom and oat milk. Okay. This is coconut milk and rose. This is supposed to be a calm fragrance. It's supposed to have shea butter and coconut oil for a 24 hours moisture. I never tried any of these body lotions from Victoria's Secret, so I can't wait to smell them and put them on my skin with my favorite fragrance. The ones with vanilla, I wanna try them with a few vanilla fragrances I have, and I wanna layer with them to see how they smell. And the coconut one, I got it because I have a few coconut fragrance that I would like to layer with this one. And the almond blossom is also, I want to layer with a fragrance that has almond in it. So all of these, I bought them with a purpose. Now, let me show you what I got from Bath and Body Works. They launched a new fragrance at Bath and Body Works, and I wanted to try it and test it for you. This is gonna be the first impression. I haven't smelled it yet. This is the new Coco Paradise from Bath and Body Works perfume, the perfume. We're gonna open it in a little bit and smell it. Also, I got the Coco Paradise. I got almost the whole line of Coco Paradise. This is a new fragrance from Bath and Body Works for this upcoming season. And this is the body butter. It's supposed to be a glow body butter. It's supposed to have a little bit of glow, this body butter. We're gonna try it in a little bit. And the notes on the notes of the Coconut Paradise are salted coconut, monoi, sugar neroli, and bronze sandalwood. So, oh, I couldn't resist. The other Coconut Paradise product I got is this moisturizing body wash. And what else? The Coconut Paradise body cream. I got almost everything because I wanted to try it all. Also, the Coconut Paradise exfoliating glow This is a body scrub. And last but not least, the Coco Paradise shower gel. So I got almost everything. I had a 25% off coupon that day that I wanted to use, so that was very, yeah, useful. And I think I have another coupon here. No, this was part of the coupon that I had. I didn't get the candle this time, but probably because it was very expensive, and I thought that the candle will be discounted at the end of the season like all of these. So I'm gonna get the candle later if I like the fragrances. Well, that's it. Let me show you how the fragrance looks like, or the bottle. It's very, oh wow, it's very small. I cannot believe it. I think it's too expensive for 1.7 ounces. It's close to $50. Good thing I had a coupon. Wow, this is so small. It's 1.7 ounce, fluid ounce, 50 ml. I hope you can see. The bottle is glass, is very extra small. The cap is plastic. Now my first impression is very small and also plastic. Too expensive. It's too expensive. For this little thing, it's too expensive. I really don't know how it smells. We're gonna smell it right now in a little bit. Let's try the body butter on my arms and hands first. This is the body butter. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna have to put my finger in it. It doesn't smell that bad. Smells good. It's not wow. It's not a wow fragrance, but it does smell good. I think it's perfect for summer, for the pool or for beach vacation. I think it's a good option. Like an everyday body butter lotion when you go on vacation. This is perfect. Oh, and also it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It has a little bit of glow. I don't know if you're able to see it on camera. But it does have a golden glow. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like it. Then you will like it more than me. I never show my skin even in summer. Oh, yes, it has a glow. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see it here. Let me see if you... Let me show you. Maybe you can see it in the back of my hand. But it has a golden glow in it. And the fragrance is not bad also. It's good. I don't like the coconut when it has citrus. It doesn't smell that citrusy. It smells like tender coconut with something else. Maybe you can see the shine there, the glow. It's a golden glow. Now let's spray the fragrance. Wow. If you don't like so much glow in your skin, you probably won't like it. But if you like glow, I think this is perfect for when you go to the beach or to the pool or somewhere where you show a lot of skin. It's really nice. Wow. My hands are really shiny right now. Since I'm not going to film another video after this, I'm going to spray the fragrance on my skin. Wow. Yeah, my hands are really shiny. I don't know if you can see it. This butter has a lot of shine. I hope you like it like that. If you don't like so much shine on your skin or so much glow, you probably won't like this body butter from Bath and Body Works Coco Paradise. Now let's spray the fragrance. This was a blind buy. This is my first time smelling it. It smells very soft to me. Let me spray it on a tester sleeve because I had the cream on my arm and I cannot appreciate the perfume. I will say if you want to try this fragrance first, you can go to any Bath and Body Works and smell it. They have it available everywhere, I think. Wherever there is a Bath and Body Works store, you can go and smell it before purchase it. Because you don't wanna blind buy it because I may like it, but you may not like it. It's a very simple fragrance, very creamy and a little bit not fresh, but a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of warmness. But this is not a warm fragrance to me. They describe this fragrance like a warm, tropical, and dreamy. I will say this fragrance is between fresh and warm, and is tropical, and is also dreamy and creamy. That's how I describe this fragrance. This is a good fragrance, but like I said, go to any Bath and Body Works store and smell it first before purchase it. Because this, I think, $45 for this little 1 ounce, 1.7 ounce of fragrance is too expensive to my point of view. So it's an eau de parfum. I really don't know how long it lasts, but I think for 1.7 ounces, $50 is too much. But try it before buying it. And one more thing before I leave. The Coconut Paradise Glotion Body Butter, it transferred to your clothes, so be careful. It has transferred to my shirt and also to my pants. I have a white pants and all the shine, all the glow is on my pants and on my sleeves. So I have to tell you, this glow transfer a lot to your clothes, so you know. And that's it for this video. I hope the first impression of the Coconut Paradise from Bath and Body Works has been of some help to you. If you like this type of content, hauls and first impressions, unboxings and reviews, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for all notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will see you next time. Bye!